Recently, there's been a significant shakeup that really highlights some deep political bias, so let's break this down. In February 2024, Jameson Timba, who claimed to be the interim leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, made some crucial appointments in Zimbabwe's parliament. But here's where it gets twisty. Speaker of the National Assembly, Jacob Mdenda, labeled these appointments as unprocedural. That's right, he put a full stop on them. Now, flash forward a little, and Mdenda isn't just stopping there. Despite the controversy around Timba's authority, he goes ahead and supports another major move by Sengezo Chabangu, another key figure in the CCC, who then starts recalling previous appointees, basically reshaping the party's representation in parliament. You might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, it essentially consolidates power within a specific faction of the CC, which seems to align more closely with the dominant ZANU-PF party. This move by Mdenda could be seen as him playing favorites, which, let's be honest, isn't exactly fair play in politics. It gets even more intriguing when you consider the reactions. Fadzayi Mahere, a former legislator, pointed out the oddity of a speaker having the power to reverse appointments made by a political party. It's a power play that raises eyebrows and questions about the independence of parliamentary roles in Zimbabwe. So, what does this all mean for the citizens of Zimbabwe? It's more than just a political drama. It's about representation, fairness, and the core principles of democracy. When appointments are manipulated this way, it's the people who might feel their voices are being stifled. As we watch this saga unfold, it's crucial to keep an eye on how these political maneuvers affect the everyday lives of Zimbabweans and the overall integrity of the nation's governance. Remember, in a world where politics can often feel like a chess game, understanding these moves is key to understanding the bigger picture. That's it for today. Stay informed, stay engaged, and as always, let's strive for a fair and just society, no matter where we are in the world.